Now, musician Samuel Mushoki, popularly known to many as Samidoh, has starred a different reaction on social media after recent photos of him together with his family, that is, his ex-wife and first wife, Edday, together with their 3 children currently in the United States. Remembering that Samidoh moved to the United States as he is vacationing there, as he has been off the work for the last 1 month, hoping to return back to the music scene come next month. Now, a lot of Kenyans have had a lot to say in a heartwarming turn of events. Kenyan musician Samidoh has been making headlines as he spends quality time with his estranged wife and children during a visit to the United States. Fans have expressed their happiness and support for the family's apparent reunion. The musician's time in the United States has not gone unnoticed, especially by Higo Hyde fans who keenly observed a connection between Samidoh's activities and those of his estranged wife Edday. A notable highlight was the observation that Samidoh was seen driving a car remarkably similar to the one featured in a recent video shared by Edday. The social media sphere buzzed with excitement as fans speculated on the significance of this shared experience. One fan humorously remarked, "Gary near First Lady, the car belongs to the First Lady," alluding to the possibility of a renewed connection between Samidoh and Edday. Now, the comment reflects the joy fans feel at witnessing the couple potentially coming together again. The positivity continued, with another fan expressing, "What were nothing but prayers, finally you won. People of nothing but prayers, finally you have won." This sentiment encapsulates the collective hope and well wishes from supporters who have been following the couple's journey. Now, Samidoh's decision to spend quality time with his family in the United States signals a positive step towards reconciliation. The public display of togetherness has resonated with fans who appreciate the idea of overcoming challenges and finding joy in family bonds. As the artist continues to share glimpses of his time with his estranged wife and children, fans eagerly anticipate more heartwarming moments and potential confirmation of a renewed chapter in Samidoh's personal life. The resilience of love and the power of forgiveness are themes that resonate with many, making this unfolding story a source of inspiration for those who believe in the strength of family ties and second chances. Remember? Now, many have been saying that there is no way Samidoh and Edday can get back together. There is no way they can be together again. But you know what? You never know. I always tell you that first love is something that never dies. Now look at them sharing intimate moments together in the United States. I say intimate because driving, taking children out, Samidoh is trying to remind his wife, you know what? We need to be together for the sake of these kids. That's a move that Samidoh is pulling on Edday, and maybe it might work, That's how human beings are. For now, that's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's link up in our next video.